One day, the rabbit travels to Kurdistan. He entered the bazaar in Slimani and saw that there were many delicious sweets. When he goes back to the hotel, his teeth start to hurt and he can't sleep. During breakfast, when all the guests are eating, Rabbit does not eat. A child sees him and asks him why he doesn't eat. The rabbit explains why. The child laughs and says, "It's very easy. You have to visit the best children's dental clinic in Slimani. It's HDC." The rabbit walks to the front of the building to visit HDC. He taps the elevator to the 6th floor. When he comes, he sees 4 doctors standing at a distance. When he approaches, they welcome him and tell him that he has come to the right place. They will give him the necessary treatment and relieve him of toothache and discomfort.